fuck. Dude. It's currently about 6:30 in the morning. I woke up, decided I'm about to go to the gym early today because I have so much shit to do today, like play Call of Duty, get diamond on my SMGs, you know what I'm saying? But I got this monster right here. I decided to try this gay looking one because my brother had it and he said it was pretty good, so why not? Let's crack this whore open. This is the let's see, what flavor? It's called Mango Loco. It's it's pretty loco, ese. I like that. I like that a lot. Tastes like mango, and tastes like my Soren because there's mango in that too. We getting fruity in this bitch. No homo. And I'm about to put one of my TikToks right here so you're not bored as shit. And then we're about to go hit an arm workout. Let's get it. I'm forming my own cloud here. Swaggy B on the beat. Funny how I thought I was in love. Found out that that bitch, he was a dog. Fucked up, but niggas in the cup. Fucked up, that bitch, he had my truck. It's funny how I thought I was in love. It's crazy how I thought I was in love. It's crazy how I thought I was in love. Fucked up, that bitch, she had my truck. It's crazy, she was just my fucking babe. I was just with her the other day. Told her get the fuck up on my face. Ain't got no rap, it's nothing left to say. I'm the one that put you in that race. With the stars, had you out here about her space. With infinity and that go, you're on your wife. Try to see that smile on your face. Remember when we had sex on a jet? Get it from the back, I had that pussy so wet. BBs on your wrist, I put them BBs on your neck. But you know I'm petty, I need all my shit back. That's a fact, When I met you, girl, your ass wasn't even that fat, I'm the one that spent that check on you. Girl, I flies on you. How you fucking all these lines when you know what's best for you, down? Funny how I thought I was in love. Found out that that bitch, he was a dog. Fucked up, but niggas in the cut. Fucked up, that bitch, he had my truck.